If you've ever wondered how some entrepreneurs raise $50, $75, even $100,000 without investors or traditional loans, this video is for you. Today we're talking about credit card stacking, what it is, how it works, who it's for, and most importantly, how to do it responsibly. Because credit card stacking is a tool, and like any tool, it can build your business or bury it. Let's break it down the right way. What is credit card stacking? Credit card stacking is the strategy of obtaining multiple credit cards within a short time frame to access a larger pool of capital. Instead of relying on one lender, you're leveraging multiple issuers, each extending unsecured revolving credit. This is commonly used by startups, small business owners, entrepreneurs who don't qualify for traditional loans, businesses that need fast access to capital. Important note, this is not about maxing out cards and disappearing. This is about structured leverage. Why people use credit card stacking? Traditional financing has barriers. Time and business revenue requirements, collateral lengthy approval processes. Credit cards are faster, are unsecured, often come with 0% intro APRs, can be used flexibly. Entrepreneurs use stacking to launch a business fund inventory, cover marketing bridge cash flow gaps, consolidate higher interest debt, but speed without strategy is dangerous. BUHO credit card stacking is for credit card stacking is not for everyone. It works best for people who have good to excellent personal credit, understand utilization and payment timing, have a plan for how the funds will be used, can manage multiple accounts responsibly. It is not for people already struggling with high utilization, anyone without income or repayment capacity, those looking for a quick cash grab. Anyone hoping credit will fix poor business fundamentals. Credit doesn't create discipline, it exposes the lack of it. How credit card stacking works. Here's the simplified process. First, credit is assessed. Scores, utilization, payment history, inquiries, account age. Then, applications are timed strategically. Certain banks pull from different bureaus. Applications are grouped to limit damage. Personal versus business cards are selected intentionally. Next, approvals are secured. Multiple cards. Varying limits, ideally with 0% intro APR offers. Finally, funds are accessed responsibly via purchases or cash equivalent strategies when appropriate. This is planned leverage, not random applications. If this helped you understand credit card stacking more clearly, subscribe for more real conversations about credit, capital, and business strategy.